So, how are you feeling about today's test? How was you feeling before test and how are you feeling now?
Slightly nervous before the test, but with your words of encouragement and focus and know me very well over the lessons that we've taken, I didn't feel as nervous as I thought I would. So I just used everything you said before the lesson and every lesson that we've had and just focused on all of your tutoring.
Well done. So, how many mistakes you did?
2 minors, which I'm disappointed about. Nothing to do with your teaching, purely nerves. One was just not taking the opportunity to pull out when I was given the opportunity, and after the emergency stop, which is can be quite nerve-wracking. I didn't properly check my blind spots, so it was really down to myself and managing my nerves. But overall, very, very happy with my performance.
So what was the first mistake you said?
It was not taking the right lane when I had an opportunity, when I was given that by a car behind.
So, were you changing lane on dual carriageways?
Yeah, changing lanes to take the next right.
Alright. So, someone was giving you way and
Correct.
you didn't change lane, yeah?
Correct, yeah.
Alright. So, that mark as undue hesitation, yeah?
Yes, yeah, for sure.
Right.
Yeah.
Well done.
Thank you very much.
Now you're a driver, you will drive alone. Be safe on the road.
Definitely. My heightened level of senses, focus, concentration, being aware of not only my positioning and what I'm doing on the roads, but others, and seeing their faults makes me a more competent driver and always switched on. So that is purely down to your tutorage, always picking up on any of my mistakes, improving my awareness. So it's a massive thank you to yourself. So
Well done.
thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers.
He had good chance to change lane after this silver car, but he did not change lane and hesitate. Even the red car was willing to give him way, but still he did not change lane and end up doing driving fault. Remember, when someone give you way, you must take that opportunity and change your lane without hesitation, or it can be marked as a driving fault. Second driving fault he did by not checking blind spot before moving off after the emergency stop.